Hi everyone, Kyle here, and in this week's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about Git, um, what it is, how to edit a file, and create a pull request. So if you don't know what Git is, it's basically a tool um, that is used by developers to track uh, different changes between versions of their code or their projects. So it's mainly used by teams for big projects that are collaborating together and want to share code, edit each other's code, and make sure their uh, code is compatible. Um, so for this particular video, I'm going to find the file that I need, which in this case is glossary. So if I want to edit this text right here, there's an edit button right here. And as you can see, this is a list of definitions, hence the name glossary. So there's a bunch of different definitions, and if you want to type something, you just click and type whatever you need to do. Um, this is written in Markdown, um, and Markdown, like I explained here, it's a lightweight markup language with plain text formatting syntax. Um, And after you finish editing what you need to do, or whatever changes that you've made to the text, you can click right here and first maybe type in any description that you need to here and a title here, and press propose file change. Now, to create a pull request, you can click pull request up on the top, new pull request, and I can't currently create pull requests because I didn't change anything, but if I were to have changed something, I could click create pull request and it would just prompt me for a title and a description, and I could type in whatever I want to as a title and a description. The purpose of a pull request is so that you and your teammates can kind of review the changes that you've made uh, to certain code before actually going through with it. Um, and I've never used Git before, but learning about it this week in class, I can see how useful it is and why it's used by teams to do projects. It's very easy for many people to get caught up in all these different changes if you don't have a tool like this to kind of track what's different from version to version, in especially big projects. I'm not used to working on such big projects, especially at school, where projects can only be so big because the semester is only so long. So I think this tool is something that is very useful. I haven't used it, but I can see um, why it's such a popular tool among developers. Um, and thank you for watching my video this week, and I'll see you guys next week.